restaurant.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is my first lunch I am eating today. It's hotel, so it's an instant version, and I hacked it a bit. So I put like the hoisin sauce in, and also like chicken. So hoisin is like tương ngọt. So yeah, so you eat it in pho a lot, so you basically get it from there.
The high street was quickly closed off.
There it is. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum.
2 days later, allowing forensic teams to search for evidence.
And look at me. I'm
The
just gonna
victims were quickly transported to an East
try it
London
out for
hospital.
you to see how
The bike
it
later
feels
found on
on.
a nearby road was confirmed to be
Yeah, the
stolen.
Vietnamese bullshit.
3 days since the incident, no arrests have been made yet. This is the moment the 9-year-old girl, along with 3 other men, were shot in a drive-by attack whilst eating inside a Turkish restaurant in East London on the 29th of May, 2024.
Delicious.
On a busy
Alright, so I am cooking his mom's frozen chicken. So like I'm just like in a good mood to cook, so I cook it for her before I leave. So my maker's a bit black on the side, so excuse me for that. Yeah, I know. And she marinates simple, very simple, because like she works as well. So I just cook it for her so she can have it while I'm gone. Yeah, so yeah, mình thấy con gà này không? Mở một cái coi nè. Gà ngon thấy không? Nhum 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 nhum. Con gà. I can cook you like con gà. Oh, shit, look at that. The toasty shit. Yeah, so this is good. I will let you know. This is like simple what I do when I'm here. Okay, so I just finished cooking the chicken, so I hope everyone likes the chicken. So I will show you my presentation. Look at that. Chicken. Yum, 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 yum. I cook on very low heat so it doesn't burn the chicken. And I'm going to try out one for you so you can see it. I'm using a drumstick so you can see it. Even cooked. Wow. Garlic version chicken. Garlic chicken. Yummy. And it's my mom's partner's cooking recipe that she did. Very simple. MSG. A bit of like, garlic. Not too much, there's not much sauce in there. But yeah. No.